Minecraft, but I can't use a crafting table. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to play Minecraft without a crafting table and try beating the game. Okay, here we are, Minecraft with no crafting table. After that, I went to get some wood just so I can have blocks in my inventory. Then I tried making a crafting table to make sure I can craft, but this what happened. Of course. After that, there's nothing else for me to do. So, so I went ahead getting some food just so I can survive my first night. Then I tried looking for a village. While looking for the village, I came across this big cave, which looks cool. So I found this pig close to the lava, so I pushed it so it can be cooked. Now we finally have some cooked food. While looking for the village, I tried turning up my render distance to see if I can find a village with high render distance. While I was exploring, I actually found a village. After finding the village, I turned down my render distance as I can feel my phone overheating. And finally, I have a chest plate without ever crafting. Yay. Now I have 16 obsidian. Now I can make a portal to the nether. I also looted some food. And finally we got a furnace without crafting. And I killed the golem just for the extra iron. I don't know why, cause I can't even craft the iron. I watched the sunset, and after that I went to bed and get to sleep. A brand new day. So I went ahead building the portal, which is kinda easy. All I need now is a flint and steel. So I went to the water to get some gravel, cause that's where gravel generates. After that, I rushed back to the portal. Now I finally crafted my flint and steel and light up the portal. And I entered the portal without hesitation. And I instantly explored the nether so I can find the nether fortress. And I stumbled across a nether fortress. So I tried going there so I can get pearls from the enderman. So I MLG my way there. And I add some markings so I know where my portal is. And started killing endermans to get pearls. And I only got 3 ender pearls, so I throw one to look for the fortress. And almost died. After hiding, I went back, finding the fortress. I tried turning up my render distance, hoping to find it, but there was no luck. While I was finding the fortress, these piglins started chasing me. While I was trying to escape the gas, this happened. I died with my own stupidity. Well, that was dumb. Also, I never beat the game before. I don't know why I was trying to beat the game without a crafting table. So that's the end of the challenge there.